At zenithtech, we believe that curiosity is the engine driving innovation. As you embark on this journey, do not hesitate to ask questions, seek answers, and embrace challenges that push you beyond your comfort zone. Engage with online courses, tutorials, and community forums; they are invaluable resources. As you delve deeper into the cloud engineering landscape, understanding the significance of security is crucial. Cybersecurity will be one of your primary concerns, as cloud environments face numerous threats daily. Begin by learning the basics of securing cloud infrastructure, including the implementation of firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and encryption protocols. This knowledge will not only protect the systems you work with but will also make you a trusted asset in any organization. To deepen your understanding, consider studying cloud compliance standards, such as GDPR and HIPAA, which delineate the legal and regulatory frameworks for data management. Being well versed in these regulations will empower you to make informed decisions while designing secure systems. Additionally, ensure you keep abreast of the latest security trends, as the landscape is continually evolving. Utilize resources like webinars and industry blogs to stay updated and enhance your readiness against emerging threats. As you develop your technical skills, parallelly cultivate your soft skills, as they are equally vital in shaping your career. Communication and teamwork are essential when collaborating with cross-functional teams, so practice articulating your ideas clearly and effectively. Additionally, enhance your problem-solving abilities, as they will empower you to troubleshoot issues efficiently. Being adaptable and open-minded will allow you to thrive in dynamic environments where quick decisions are often necessary. Remember, technical expertise combined with strong interpersonal skills will set you apart in the job market, making you an invaluable member of any cloud engineering team. As you continue to hone your skills, take the time to reflect on your experiences. Maintaining a learning journal can be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to document what you've learned, the challenges you faced, and how you overcame them. This personal log can help solidify your understanding while also serving as a useful tool when preparing for interviews or discussing past projects with potential employers. Additionally, revisiting your journal periodically can reveal patterns in your growth, showing how your thinking has evolved over time. Remember, in this fast-paced industry, it's not just about collecting skills, it's about continuous improvement and growth. Embrace this process wholeheartedly, for it is a journey of lifelong learning that will shape your career as a cloud engineer. As you advance, don't hesitate to share your own insights with others, fostering a community of knowledge exchange. As you embrace the multitude of experiences and practices along your journey, always remember the power of perseverance. Each setback you encounter is an opportunity for growth, a chance to refine your skills, and to gain deeper insights into the complexities of cloud engineering. By maintaining a positive attitude and resilience in the face of challenges, you will not only refine your technical capabilities but also build a robust mindset that can navigate the unpredictability of the tech landscape. Embrace a growth mindset, seek feedback, and continually push the boundaries of your knowledge as you step confidently into your future as a cloud engineer. Continue building your skill set by engaging with cloud automation tools. Automation is not just a trend, it's a critical aspect of cloud engineering that enhances efficiency and minimizes errors. Familiarizing yourself with tools such as Ansible, Puppet, and Chef will enable you to automate repetitive tasks and streamline operations effectively. Additionally, exploring containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration platforms such as Kubernetes will deepen your understanding of modern application deployments. These skills will not only simplify your workflows but will also prepare you for the complexities of cloud infrastructure management. As you invest time in mastering these technologies, strive to apply them in practical scenarios, ensuring you gain first-hand experience in their functionalities. As you venture into cloud engineering, embracing DevOps practices can significantly enhance your workflow. This approach promotes collaboration between software development and IT operations, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and continuous delivery. Start by understanding the principles of continuous integration and continuous deployment, C/CD, which enable teams to deploy changes quickly and efficiently. Familiarizing yourself with C/CD tools like Jenkins and GitLab will empower you to automate your development pipelines, ensuring that your projects benefit from regular updates and improvements. By integrating these practices into your skill set, you will not only improve your technical capabilities but also influence the productivity and agility of your teams. As you continue to navigate this journey, don't forget the importance of staying engaged with industry projects and case studies. These resources can provide you with real-world insights and highlight the innovative solutions being implemented across various sectors. Analyzing these examples will sharpen your critical thinking skills and inspire you to apply similar strategies in your career. Additionally, consider attending workshops and conferences, both virtually and in person, which are invaluable for networking and learning from experienced professionals. Investing time in these activities will ensure that you remain competitive and informed about the latest technologies, trends, and best practices in cloud engineering. Stay proactive, continuously seek out new opportunities, and remember that each step you take is a building block towards your successful future in this dynamic field. Your cloud engineering journey is just beginning, and the knowledge and skills you acquire will be your keys to success. Each project you undertake adds refined layers to your cloud engineering expertise. As you tackle diverse challenges, approach every task with curiosity and a willingness to learn. Late nights and trials will transform your understanding and creativity in solving problems. Whether you're debugging code or optimizing a cloud setup, always aim to extract valuable lessons from every experience. Over time, you'll find that you become more adept at identifying best practices, allowing you to innovate and push boundaries further in your career. Engaging effectively with your peers in the cloud engineering community can amplify your learning and foster invaluable connections. Participate in hackathons and online coding competitions, as these events challenge you to apply your skills in real time and collaborate with fellow tech enthusiasts. They offer a platform to showcase your talents while gaining fresh perspectives from others. Moreover, consider joining professional associations focused on cloud technology, which often provide access to exclusive resources, mentorship programs, and networking opportunities that can catalyze your growth. Surrounding yourself with like-minded professionals will not only motivate you but also widen your horizons in the ever-evolving technological landscape. Remember, your journey as a cloud engineer thrives on collaboration and shared experiences. Embrace the concept of lifelong learning, as the cloud engineering landscape is vast and ever-changing. Stay curious and open to exploring new tools, methodologies, and paradigms that emerge. By doing so, you will not only stay relevant in your field but also inspire others around you. Surround yourself with mentors who encourage you to think outside the box while fostering your creativity and innovation. Above all, trust in your journey. Armed with the knowledge and skills you've acquired, you're poised for a successful career ahead. Your journey in cloud engineering is just getting started, and the road ahead is filled with exciting opportunities. Continue to embrace challenges, seek knowledge, and connect with the vibrant community in this field. Your hard work and dedication will undoubtedly lead you to success in this ever-evolving technological landscape. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Zenith Tech, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Drop your questions in the comments, I read them all and help you out. And if you're serious about building a career in tech, this channel is for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.